Airalo Pakistan eSIM, my honest review and user experience. If you've ever landed in Pakistan and struggled to get a SIM card, you know how frustrating that process can be. Long queues, passport scans, and confusing data plans. That's why I decided to try Airalo, a global eSIM provider that promises instant connectivity anywhere. Here's my honest review, and what actually happened when I used it in Pakistan. Setting it up was incredibly easy. After purchasing the Pakistan eSIM through the Airalo app, I received instant installation instructions. Within minutes, I had a local data connection, no store visits, no paperwork. The app automatically detected the country and offered several options, starting from 1 GB for 7 days to larger 10 GB plans for longer stays. The speed was impressive. In major cities like Karachi, Lahore, and Islamabad, I consistently got strong coverage. Streaming, maps, and WhatsApp calls all worked smoothly. Most people get this wrong. They assume eSIMs are unreliable compared to local SIM cards. But Airalo partners with Jazz and Song, two of Pakistan's largest networks, so coverage was solid nearly everywhere. The only downside I noticed was limited rural connectivity. In more remote areas, the signal dropped occasionally. Also, since it's data only, you don't get a local phone number, but apps like WhatsApp or Telegram make that a non-issue. The best part: you can top up any time through the app without switching SIM cards or roaming plans. For travellers, that convenience is unbeatable. In short, Airalo's Pakistan eSIM is a game changer for tourists, digital nomads, and frequent travellers. It's fast, simple, and cost-effective. If you want stress-free mobile data from the moment you land, Airalo is absolutely worth it.